What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you on another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, yesterday Bitcoin rode this wedge all the way up to around $39,800, guys, and then we had a breakout to the downside. We had the 7 crossing the 20 and a nice clean breakout, guys. I want to show you guys exactly what I found in the patterns, which could yield up to a new breakout, guys, so you can take this trade whether long or short on your favorite exchange. And guys, we have a couple other alts I want to talk about. I'm going to do a lot of the main focus on Bitcoin today. There's a lot of stuff to go over. Are we going to bounce out of this and recover, or are we going to head down further, guys? There's a lot of stuff to go over. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. And if you haven't signed up using my links, you can save up to over $7,000 in bonuses just with using all of my links below. And if you sign up to Bybit right now, you can save over $2,600 in bonuses just by using my link right here. And don't forget about all of my giveaways, and be sure to check out the student program. Okay guys, so there's a few things to look at right now. Let's just measure them all out for you. So we clearly do have a new wedge forming, a descending broadening wedge here. Okay. Right like this. And yes guys, we do clearly have some patterns within patterns in here, but guys, I just want to talk about this bigger pattern right now, and then we have an even bigger pattern to analyze, guys. So just in simplicity here, watch for us to break the resistance or the support. That's why I'd be looking to make my trade. And guys, remember your indications. For instance, I have the EMAs up for you right now. Watch for the crossings. We could be getting a trifecta to the upside, which means we will retest right up here. And especially if the volume increases, we get more volume in the market right here, we will retest this pattern formation, okay? And there's an even bigger pattern, which I want to break out for you guys right now. But again, just on this pattern alone in simplicity, play it around 38.2, I'm guessing, 38.27. And down here, if we break down around 36, okay, guys? But you'll get the crossings right in here, okay? You'll get the indication plays on many, many indications. I'm just using the EMA as an example. You could use Bollinger Bands. You could use the Stotch. You could use the MAC. There's so many different ones to use, guys. Just play your indications within your patterns, get a clear understanding which way this will break. But right now it does look like we are leaning up, okay? But the volume is low, so we're kind of going to go sideways. And guys, as soon as volume comes to the market, that will be your trigger to let you guys know which way we're going to pump, okay, guys? But let me zoom out and show you the bigger pattern. Okay, guys, so I'm sure you probably see this right here. It's very clear as day. Okay, we could be getting a big inverse head and shoulders right here, okay? With the big point of resistance right through here, okay? Let's just say right there. Okay, so this could be a big pattern breakout play, okay, and we could end up moving around a little bit more, but hopefully we can get a breakout right around here, guys. And remember, the measurement is all the way down to the lowest wick, okay, right like that, to the point of breakout, guys. And if that was actually to hit, we could hit all the way up at around $47,000 and change, guys. This would be a nice rebound that we really desperately need. And let me just talk about why quick. Let me zoom out here. Okay guys, so forget the pattern in general. I just wanted to show you this. We have just been moving steadily down, putting in lower lows over and over, guys. This is the first leg up we've had. We need to get another leg up and keep moving up the stairs. We are consistently just moving down and down and down and down. We need to start moving up and up, okay guys? Until we start to put in a higher low, you know, I'm going to be short-term bearish, guys. And in simplicity, if we do get a breakdown, we will retest, you know, this support right here, which is a previous high. Okay, we will bust through that if that happens, guys. Which, you know, is a very bad sign. Let's be very transparent here. We could be in a little bear season if we break down any further. Like I said, if we break down below 30,000, that is extremely bad news. So we're not out of the woods yet. We're not in the best of places yet. We're not in the worst of places yet. But we have some work to put in. In simplicity, guys, if we get above this major resistance, we might be out of the woods for the short term, okay guys? So remember, the $42,000 mark is an extremely pivotal price point for the Bitcoin price action moving forward, as well as the $30,000 mark to the negative side, okay guys? And guys, let's talk about Chainlink. All right, getting the same kind of motion right here, another inverse head and shoulders here, possible formation of resistance here, guys. And are we going to get a breakout and a retest, maybe get back on the immediate trend? Okay guys, that's what we need to happen for Link, guys. But again, we need volume to come into the market above the moving average and a bullish sentiment, for instance, bullish bars to push this up. And then guys, remember, play your indications. For instance, I love the 7 into the 20. We did get a crossing right here, but we still have the 55 to break in essence, and we are above it actually, and we have a trifecta to the upside, guys. So we should be retesting the top of this pattern any moment, guys. Get ready to make your trade. This looks like a long, but watch out for a fake out, guys. Make sure you're setting your stop losses in case you get that quick rebound. We all know how that goes with leverage, okay? Make sure you're protecting yourself. And guys, same theories with CHAINLINK. You know, we want to put in higher lows and higher lows. So for instance, we have been putting in, you know, lower lows, lower low, lower low. We need to put in higher low, and keep moving the chains back up to get out of this hole. And that's just board wide right now, guys. That's what I was saying. I'm going to do a lot more main analysis on Bitcoin right now because all of these alts are following Bitcoin's lead. That's just the reality. Okay, so I'm going to talk about another altcoin here, ELECTRONEUM. All right, guys, now I haven't looked at this one yet, so let me just zoom in here. Guys, we had a massive bump out of this wedge, guys. That's just awesome. I was talking about us hitting a cent yesterday, guys. We hit a cent. That is awesome. And we had a nice little double top here, guys. So if you had a trade open, that was your indication, hey, we were going to break down in the immediate. And then, guys, this is a trifecta in my eyes. We did get the 7 crossing the 20 a little early, but, you know, this is really close. That's a trifecta to me with such strength. Look at the volume down here. That's why we really just punched straight down like that, okay? So a little moment of indecision, possible pattern forming out right now, but all we really have is a wedge. Now, guys, man, this could end up changing very quickly, so you know, mind my drawing here, but this could turn into another pattern. It could turn into, you know, a W formation. It could turn into a head and shoulders as well. It could turn into several things, so watch for that to actually play out. For instance, just an example, the shoulder, the head, could be a shoulder forming out. You know, we have to wait and see. But guys, just remember, play your indications and the patterns to get an accurate representation of where the price action is moving in the immediate, guys. And just in simplicity with the patterns, say like this pattern plays out, we take the trade right here if we go long and short this way, guys. Just very simple. Remember, simplicity is the key to success in trading. And guys, just really quick, I wanted to talk about an article I found over on Cointelegraph from Yashugola. Okay, Bitcoin price must now hold this key level to regain 40K, guys, and I couldn't agree more. We have to hold around the $37,000 level just to basically punch up and retest 40. Otherwise, we are in for an imminent drop down to 31 and a retest of support, guys. And as we know, the volume is lower than when the initial dip, so that could be something to factor in here. Let's just read over this stuff here. Okay, so will Bitcoin crash? For the opinions differ. Victor Duraganov, the founder of Albright Investment Group, admitted that he was buying Bitcoin price dip, adding that he expects the cryptocurrency to at least reach 40 to 42,000 area in the short term. Okay, there were enormous volume leading up to and right around 30K, which is what we want to see at the epicenter of the correction phases. Duraganov explained in his note. Next, we will see a retest attempt around 31K, but volume is notably weaker than during the initial drop. So guys, just in simplicity, I think if, you know, the volume is lower and we do get a negative retest, you know, that is a very bad sign. We could end up going down further. And remember, you know, the bears are technically on parade right now until we start putting in higher lows. And guys, you know, let's be real, institutions will push that price down as far as they can. They really will. They will push it down as far as they can. They do not want to buy, you know, expensive coin, and they are going to get in as heavily as they can. So you know, at the bottom, you know, after driving a lot of fear and FUD into the market, guys. And just like I said, you know, in my last video, the fear and greed index is very high. So it's definitely a very interesting time that, you know, investors really want to push the price down. The hodlers really want the price to go up. And in reality, guys, we could just be in a mini bear cycle within a much larger bull cycle, a super cycle, almost mimicking the second bull run, but in an elongated bull run. I'm anticipating around 700 some days, could be over 2 years long. And if that actually happens, guys, we will hit those higher prices over 100K easily. Okay, we could even hit them this year, guys. Remember what happened last year. Okay, we had a massive pump, then a long sideways move, and everyone was like, "Hey, are we even going to go higher?" I don't know. I had even had some very modest predictions, guys, and we smashed past them. I was talking 15 by the end of it. We smashed past that, guys. We just did. So that's what I'm anticipating in the Bitcoin price in general moving forward, guys. We just need to put in higher lows and start to move the chains in a more positive way, guys. And I can't stress enough, I bought the dip. I am all in on crypto. I barely have any cash left in the bank, guys. And the reality is I teach about this all the time, the devaluation of the dollar. You want to keep as little money in the bank as possible because that money is just constantly devaluing every single year, every single second, guys. There's not a reality where you want to keep your money in a bank and watch your money deflate. It's not something you want to do. And even furthermore, you know, Bitcoin has proven to be the best asset class trade-wise, investment-wise in history, guys. So that's why I'm in it. I'm even in, you know, many alts, Ethereum, and you guys know this. I'm very into cryptocurrency at this point. I'm basically all in, all over the board. And guys, that will yield me some massive profits over the next 2 years, guys. So just remember, you know, get involved in crypto if you're not yet, or if you're just finding my channel for the first time, you're new to crypto, guys. It is the future. Just like the credit card was once a thing, cryptocurrency is the future coming up soon. Okay, it's already here, to be honest. It's here now. So this dip was just an amazing opportunity to get some more cheap coin. I've been talking about it for months. If we get that opportunity, I'm going to take it. I did. And just for transparency, I will be even doing more as I make some more money. I will put more money in, guys. It is the future. It will avail us some amazing profits. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. These are just amazing times in crypto. Hopefully we're getting a little bit of a rebound here, guys, but just in simplicity, as long as we're putting in lower lows, that's a bad sign. If we start to put in higher lows, we could hopefully start to be climbing out and hopefully get a little bit more volume back into the market, and the bulls can start to get back on parade, because right now the bears are still in control, guys, and we need to switch that around. And just the same with all the other alts, guys. They are going to follow Bitcoin right now. And just for transparency, I did take some altcoin profits, you know, a couple weeks ago, like I said, Mana, a few other coins. But guys, I'm still going to be even holding those positions for this next hill up, and that's when I plan to take my profits, guys. And I suggest you guys do the same. We will hit some amazing profits doing that strategy. And guys, if you're not making the profits you deserve, I can't stress enough, my student program is just killing it. We are killing it, guys. It's just the best feeling to make money through trade, especially when you're used to working a 9-to-5 job with not the best pay. Even if you have decent pay, you can make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars just sitting at home day trading with leverage, guys. It's just something a lot of people don't understand until they just have it shown to them right in front of their face. And guys, when that happens, it becomes a reality. And as soon as you absorb, it becomes a reality for you. Okay, and that's the beauty of my program. It's not like going to a school and sitting in a group setting with no guaranteed absorption rate, guys. Man, one-on-one attention really almost guarantees your absorption and just expedites the learning process, guys. And let's be real, you know, I've been trading for 10, 15 years, 5 aggressively, and if you guys just even hit a D level in my program, you could eventually surpass me someday. Remember, time is the most valuable factor, and if I can save you all that time from trial and error and making mistakes, you will expedite fastly. You will just grow extremely fast. So the reality is you can turn into a monster of a trader, guys, and that's the reality of my program, guys. So if you're not making the gains that you think you deserve, or your supposed professional's not doing for you, they're telling you they don't have a crystal ball, they can't, telling you to diversify, guys, diversification is for fools. It is for fools. I've said it before, I'll say it again. It's not a good strategy. Pick the investments that are going to make moves, cash out in profit, okay, realize those profits, and lock it in, guys. That's what I always say. On to the next one. Keep locking it in, keep moving forward. And guys, that is the best strategy in trading. And guys, I'll always be around in this program, but the reality is I can only take so many. So guys, if you're really interested on changing your stance in life with your financials, guys, this is how you do it. So reach out to me today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send your onboarding email and get you guys started. And guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.